So what you can also do is import out Evernote content inside of Notion. So to go ahead and do that, you can go around onto, let's say for example, your profile right here, and then you can go ahead onto settings right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go around onto import, and here you can see that Evernote is an option. So if I were to go around onto Evernote right here, then what you can do is you can go ahead and, let's say for example, sign into your Evernote. Let me just go ahead and use my Google account to sign in right here, just like this. And once you do that, you can go ahead and click on continue right here. And then once that is signed in, you can see that you can authorize Notion for a certain day right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and authorize it for 1 year right here. And it's authenticating with OneNote right here. And now you can see that you can select out the content that you want to go ahead and import right here. So once you go ahead and click on import, then you can see that it is importing 3 notebooks from Evernote right there, just like that. So this is what you have right here. And if I were to go around over here onto a certain content right here, you can see that the contents of Evernote has all been imported as separate pages right here. You can also see the gallery view, and then you can see that these are the notes from Evernote right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and import out Evernote contents inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.